Hi, my name is Guy. I'm from SpectraFrame in Australia, and I'm here to show you how to connect your SF-01 controller to your Wi-Fi. Grab the controller, grab the cable also included in the package, and plug it where it says USB. Grab the opposing end of the cable and plug it into a mobile phone charger or 5-volt power adapter. Proceed to grab the 5-volt charger and plug it into either an extension lead or a power board. Finally, grab the LED lead at the top of the controller with the black plug and plug it to your LED strip. There is a specific way that it does connect. Ensure that it does go the right way, and it should click in once secured. Once connected, your LED strip should light up. Now gather your mobile phone, go to Settings, Network and Internet, Wi-Fi, and you should see a listing of available connections around you. Click on WLED app. It should take you to the temporary page of WLED. Click Configurations at the very top. Click on Wi-Fi Setup and enter in your correct home Wi-Fi name and password. If unsuccessful, as in this case for example, it will say sign up into LED at the very top of the app. Erase the current information and re-admit the correct one for your home Wi-Fi and password. Once completed, ensure to click Save and Connect. And it should take you out of the page and back into the Wi-Fi options. Download the WLED app, open it up, go to the icon that's highlighted, and you're in. Success. Depending on the length of your LED strip, you may find it partially lit. This is where the count of LEDs on that length is important. Go to LED Preferences, scroll down to Length, and enter in the correct amount. Once done, click Save and Connect, or Save, and it should all light up. As for sound settings, it's generally configured for the mic already. You may enter the squelch or gain depending on your taste to ascertain what preferences you like in reaction to the music. I'm just going to leave you now with a few demonstrations of what the WLED app is capable of doing. If you like what you're seeing and would like to purchase a unit, there'll be links in the description. On behalf of SpectraFrame, I'd like to thank you for watching, and if you do purchase one, I hope you have a lot of fun with it. Thank you.